Is it on?
Yeah.
It's January 30th of 2011. This is Millie and Rusty, and they're making puppies.
Oh, Rusty.
Rusty.
Rusty, show us that white eye. Hi, Millie. Show us that white eye. Yeah, that's just
Isn't he
crazy.
Pretty? Millie, look up. There's Daddy.
Hi, Millie. Hi, Millie.
She's
It's
like,
frightened look.
Oh, okay, I'm going to let go. It's a good girl. Good girl.
Okay, how long is it going to take
No,
for
don't
this?
sit down. Anywhere from 3 to 30 minutes.
Okay, let's just...
Oh, good girl. See, it won't really hurt him unless she...
We're still filming.
It won't... Oh, no. It's okay.
All tied up in a knot. Okay. And that's enough.